In this tutorial you will see how to add a roster to a poster using Microsoft Excel. You can get the roster from the coach, team parent, captain, download from website, etc. With Photoshop open and your roster in Microsoft Excel open too. Go to the roster in Excel, select all on the list, all the columns and rows. If you want to change the font, now is the time to do that. Increase the font size too. Bigger is better for posters. Change font size from 10 to 18. We changed the font to Arial, since we feel Arial prints well, and is very easy to read close up and from a distance. Resize the column width so that all the text fits within it. Be sure to check for long names and that the column is wide enough to show the full name. Again, check for long names and that the column is wide enough to show the full name. Once all columns are wide enough, select all columns and rows again. With all the columns and rows selected, right-click and copy. Then using the Paint bucket, color fill in Excel. Fill the selection with a white background. This is so when you make the roster a brush preset in Photoshop it will have a transparent background and not the lines that are normally in Excel. In Photoshop go to File, New. Select the clipboard preset. Then go to Edit. Paste. The roster should now be able to be seen as a new file in Photoshop. We are going to use this roster to create a new brush preset so that it can easily be added to posters. Go to Edit. Define brush preset. Then name new brush preset. Give it a unique name so that you know what it is later when you need to use it. Depending on how many different team and sports you do these type of posters for, will determine how detailed the name of the brush needs to be. Open template to add this new brush too. Depending on the type of poster you are creating, if needed hide the color border and place pick here layers, then add a new layer to apply the roster brush to. Make brush tool your current tool and this new brush should be the last of the brushes. Select it and then place on the poster, about where you would like it. Resize brush as needed, increase or decrease size, to fit an area available. Brush color can be black, white or any color you like. A layer style should be added. A theme color can be added or changed then too. Zoom in to better view, when adding a layer style. To add a layer style, double-click on the new layer that you just added this brush to. You can add any layer style you like to get the best look for your poster. Add the style you like and tweak if needed. Add a color if you like. Then click on OK. Save as a new poster template. Rename layer. Add your photo or photos. There are several examples on your second DVD to give you ideas for adding a roster, schedule, stats, results, etc.